Shop Wednesday. What's up, everybody? We're doing it on Wednesday today. We made it on Wednesday, Eli. Woohoo! Everybody! See Eli's head. There he is. He's over there engraving away. There's been some, is there angry moments over there, Eli?
Not one of them, buddy.
Not one. He has a short memory. I heard him grunt one time. It's all good. I'll tell you what I've been doing some grunting too. You know, I wish I could show you the other side, but it's hot glued down, so you can't see it. But we got sterling overlays here, engraving the steel up. Got a 14 karat gold, filigree overlay. We got sterling half round and sterling rope on top of a steel concho. The only part that you can see the steel's right there inside and underneath the gold and all that. And then I got 14 karat and sterling silver, no fine silver inlays here on this part right here. So yeah, that's kind of a cool deal. This is for Cowtown Collection coming up. I'll give you all. This looks just like the picture I posted yesterday. Must be that I get to a break right there. But got the bottom part done. Got to shade the flowers. Away we go. So anyhow, that's happening. That's going to be price tag in it. It's probably going to be close to $7,500 by the time I get done. Anyhow, I was hoping for $5,000, but we'll see where it's at. Away we go. I'll post pictures of it and all that. And if you want to come purchase it, well, come see me in Oklahoma, in Fort Worth at Brumballs. And that'll be November 2nd. I'll have a nice little evening. Ticketed deal, so offer a nice charity, all kinds of cool stuff. So anyhow, what else we got? Patreon's doing good. We've been doing several little things on building this bit. I did cleaning up the mouthpiece yesterday, and I don't know what all. I did a video a while ago of me engraving with my little microscope here. See the camera and all that cool stuff. And up there at the TV screen. It was about a 3-hour video because we forgot we were recording. So anyhow, gonna have to. Yeah, Eli says, "Me, hell, it's all you, Willie," and it was all me. I forgot to unpush the record button. But lots of information in that video. Oh well, we've had Cheese here. Hello, old Cheese. Cheese, say hi, buddy. Poor old Cheese ain't doing too good. She's old. He's very old. Kind of late in the later stages, but he still wants his can of food and a little water. He gets mad if he don't have it. So life is good. What else? What else we got to share, Eli? I don't know. We made it on Wednesday. We're doing good. We've been sitting in this chair all day, yesterday and today. So if y'all need something, holler at us, and we will see you soon. Adios.